Hello students, today we start chapter 4e. We are doing fractions. This is part 9 of my video lesson. So we start the first video on 4e, which is multiplication of fractions. So if you see, I have given you concepts here. Then we are going to do few sums. So first, multiplication of fractions. In the previous video lesson you have seen that we have done addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction. In this 4e we are going to do multiplication, and in my next maybe this part only, little later on, we will see how we do division of fractions. So first we start with multiplication. So let us see, if a fraction is a by b and we multiply by c by d. Here I'll show you with this example. So what we do, multiply numerator with numerator. So I'm doing question 2 of exercise 4e. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So and next question I'll teach you what is reciprocal. So two things you note before I start. Reduce the fraction to the lowest term means if something can be cancelled, we cancel them by their HCF, or you can do in step by taking prime factors. And one thing is very important, children, please learn table up to 20. If you want to be good in maths, you have to learn tables. There is no choice, because everywhere I'll show you those who are good in tables will be doing any chapter better than those who have not learned the tables up to 20. So please learn. So here if you see 3 by 5 into 4 by 9, 3 and 9, you know, 9 comes in table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Nothing else will cancel. So we get numerator as 4 and denominator is 5, threes are 15. So this is how we do. See, next question. First you copy the question. I am cancelling here only, but first you copy question, and what I am doing you should do in second step. So here if you see 51 comes in table of 17. See, that's why I said tables up to 20. 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. And if you know, 25 and 30 comes in table of 5. 5 fives are 15, 5 6 are 30. Again you see 6 and 3. 6 comes in table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So finally we have, children, 2 by 5. Let us see number 6. Okay. First we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, then only you can cancel. You cannot cancel anything. So 27 twos are 54, 54 plus 11, 65 by 27 into 18. If nothing is there, you can write 1. And please do remember, in my earlier part, one particular video, in the beginning only I have taught you how to convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 18 and 27, children, if you know, they come in table of 9. 9 twos are, 9 threes are. Now 65 will not go in table of 3. So we have 130 by 3. If you change it into your mixed fraction, so 130 we divide by 3 fours are 12, 1 will come 0, 3 threes are 9, so 43 1 by 3. So this is 43 1 by 3. So please, you can pause the video and copy. Then we will go to question number 8. So here also same thing, children. What we do, we convert them into improper fraction. 21 8s are, see how you will do. You can write and do. You can write like this and do. Okay, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Another mental maths method is 28 is 160, 1 8 is 8. You add it to 160, you get 168 by 21. Now 113 by 1 by 13. 13 ones are 13 plus 1, 14 by 13. So if you see here, this will be 21 8s are 168 plus 1. This will be 169. Now you see lot of common thing we can cancel. HCF, if you see by what I have said, by HCF, so 13 13s are 13 ones are 13, 13 13s are is 169, 2 7s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So we have left 13 2s are, so 21 and 14 goes in table of 7, 7 3s are 7 2s are. So what we are left with, 2 into 13 in numerator, 3 into 2, 13 into 2, or 2 into 13 in numerator, 3 in the denominator. We have 26 by 3. If you convert it, so you can do by this method also. Okay, 3 8s are 24. So we get 8 2 by 3. So next we convert it to your improper fraction. So here sometime you need to pause the video, stop the video, click on the 2 lines which comes on the screen. First you tap, 2 lines you click, it will pause, and sometime you can go back. Left side if you do, the video will go back and you see if you want to see anything. So here we have 11 4s are 44 plus 1, 45 by 4 into 9 6 are 54 plus 7, 61 by 9. So once more, 9 6 are 54 plus 7, 61 by 9. So if anything is cancelling, we will do, this will go 3 3s are, 3 15s are. Okay, or directly you can do 9 5s, 9 5s are 45. Directly also you can do, and nothing else will go. So we have 61 into 5 is 305 by 4. Then we will convert it to, so kindly copy, and we can convert it to then mixed fraction. 305 we do by 4, 7s are 28, 2 will come, 4 6 are 24, so it is 76 1 by 4. So kindly you can pause and do. Then so you can pause the video and copy. Then I'll do the sum number 12. So here I am rubbing number 6, and here I'll have space for rough work. So see here I'm rubbing number 4 also, so you can pause and go back and see, and I'm doing number 12 here. So 12, if you see children, first I convert it to improper fraction. 6 3s are 18 by 18 plus 1. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, it will be 19. So 2 4s are 8 plus 311 by 4 into 11 2s are 22 plus 4, 26 by 11. So as I told you, this will be 19 by 6, 11 by 4, 2, 11s are 22 plus 4, 26 by 11. See what all cancels here. 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 4, and this will go by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 13s are 26. So what is left here? 19 into 13 by 6 2s are 12. 19 into 13, children, you will get 19 10s are 190 and 19 3s are 57. So you'll get 247 by 12. So convert it this into your mixed fractions. So 12, 247, 12 2s are 24. Okay, so you will get 1 0. Remember, division sometimes is difficult. 7 remains, then 7 by 12. So this is 27 by 12. And one more thing I'll tell you is, this part is little tricky. Don't write to see 12 20s are 240. Generally I see children making it 27 by 12. No, 1 0 will come. So sometime division is tricky and you have to apply your common sense mental maths what I tell you. So 12 2s is 24. This is 247. So it will be 20 times 240, then 7 is left. Okay. Otherwise you can put 0 and all, but sometime division is little tricky. You have to see, because one number is there, it comes, so this 0 is very important. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy, then we will move to the next part. Let us see next sum, that is question number 13. Question is, find the reciprocal of the following fractions. So this is fraction, this is, so reciprocal as I have given you in the concept which I am explaining now, a by b, reciprocal is b by a. So in short, you see denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. So see this question, answer is 13 by 7. Actually one more concept is there. Two numbers are reciprocal, two fractions when their product is 1. So this is the another concept, that when you multiply, or this is the main concept, this is how we do. We invert, reverse the numerator and denominator, but the main concept is two numbers are reciprocal of each other if the product gives you 1. So see, 7 by 13 is reciprocal of 13 by 7, and 13 by 7 is reciprocal of 7 by 13, because if you cancel, you get 1. So same way, this is 1 by 5. Okay. So this one, first children, you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 9 8s are 72 plus 1, 73 by 9. 73 by 9, reciprocal will be 9 by 73. Okay, sorry, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Why? 1 by 5 into 5 is 1. Here I am verifying it. 73 by 9, reciprocal is 9 by 73, because their product gives you 1. And the last 123, reciprocal will be 1 by 23. See, 1 by 5 becomes 5. Down we don't write 1, children. Down it is understood when any number is there that in that it's a fraction with denominator 1. 23 is 1 by 23. Why? 23 into 1 by 23 gives you 1. Okay, so this was what we mean by reciprocal. So what do you see? Here is numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. 1 by anything becomes that denominator is the answer, because 1 we don't write in denominator. If it is a mixed fraction, convert it to improper fraction, then take the reciprocal. Reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse, children. Multiplicative inverse. This is the meaning: a number multiplied with its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal gives you 1. The product is 1. Last, if a number is there, you take 1 upon that, becomes reciprocal, because 1 it is hidden here. Because 1 is hidden here. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we will do a little bit of division over here. So next we move on to division. So this is last few question for this session. Division, if you have a by b divided by fraction c by d. See, when division becomes multiplication, most important thing, student, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Okay, so actually we say we multiply by reciprocal. Division means multiplying the reciprocal of c by d, which is d by c. Anyway, easier method you learn is when division becomes multiplication, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Then like before, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So let us see this: 13 by 21 into 7 by 2. First step, division becomes multiplication, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Now next step, you know, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So this is your 13 by 6, which is nothing but if you convert to 1 by 6. Okay, so kindly copy that. Next here you see 1 into, so before I do into, children, I will convert it to improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. So let it be division only, first step. Then when I do multiplication, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So we get 5 by 13. So next here, if you see 70, let it be division. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 8s are 40, 42 by 5, 70 into 5 by 42. Now you see these two HCF. If you see one separate video, I'll make on LCM and one on HCF, and how we can do by different method plus mental maths. I'll teach you there. So you see both comes in table of 14. Therefore you should know the tables. 14 3s are, 14 5s are. So we get 5 into 5, 25, numerator with numerator, and we get this. If you convert, it is 8 1 by 3. So 25 by 3, if you divide, 8s are 24. Remainder goes up and the divisor comes here. So you can pause or play back and see. I'm going to the last one. 10 5s are 50 plus 7, 57 by 10. Into, I should not put because first I should have division only. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. This is 57 by 10 into 6 by 19. If you know table of 19, that's why I said up to 20. 19 3s are, 57, 19 1s are 19. 19 1s are 19, 19 3s are 57. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. This 2 goes in 2's table. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. What is remaining up? 3 3s are 9 by 5. So this is 1 4 by 5 you will get. So question number 20 you will get 1 4 by 5. So kindly pause the video and copy. In the next session, in my second video, I'll do the problem sums based on multiplication and division. So please pause the video and copy and practice up to question number 20. Thank you boys for watching.